In this video, I'll show you how to enable double tap on your Apple Watch SE3. So let's get started. Double tap, by the way, can be used on many different ways, including when you're receiving a call. Simply by doing this gesture, you'll be able to enter the call. But even if you're not in a call, as you see, I'm able to control my watch. So to do that, press the crown. And over here, you're going to go into the settings of your Apple Watch. Go down. Gestures, tap on gestures, and here you're gonna have double tap. Make sure double tap is turned on, and down below you're gonna have a few options. So if you double tap while you're listening to some music on your iPhone or on your Apple Watch or a video, do you want this to play pause, or do you want to use this double tap to skip? You can choose that. And then you can also control Smart Stack when you see all the applications that are open. And then you have other options that not many people will use down below. But for phone calls, it will be already enabled as soon as you turn this on. If you are on the main page, main clock face of your Apple Watch, if you double tap, you can see your widgets this way. Pretty useful. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, comment, and comment if you didn't like it as well. And I'll see you in the next one.